spicy chicken macaroni soup. Full of flavor with all the spices and everything nice. Something that you can make in the comfort of your very own home. So let's jump right into it. First, get a big pot. Bring the water to a boil. Next, you're going to want to add some kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass, and some ginger. Here I have some chopped up chicken thigh. You can use any kind of chicken as you like. Throw all that into the pot. Give it a quick stir so that way the chicken does not stick together. On to the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of salt. Adjust your salt level accordingly based upon your water amount in your pot. Next, I have 1 ladle full of fish sauce. And also 1 ladle full of sugar. So fish sauce and sugar should be a 1-to-1 ratio. 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Then we're going to let the pot boil for about 5 to 10 minutes so that way the chicken can absorb all this flavor. So after the pot has been boiling for 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to add the macaroni into the pot, and then we're going to turn off the heat so that way the macaroni does not break apart. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the macaroni has been cooked beforehand. Very simple and easy to make. Anybody can make this. It's very comforting, lots of aromatics, spicy, delicious. Here I'm adding some shallots, fried shallots, some homemade chili oil. I will have a link to that video soon in the future. Topping it off with some chili flakes, and voila, spicy chicken macaroni soup. Don't forget to subscribe, click that thumbs up button, and I will see you all next time. Enjoy!